DC power supply is a device that provides a stable, direct current DC, voltage or current to power electronic circuits, devices, or equipment. Unlike AC, alternating current, which periodically changes direction, DC flows in a single direction, making it essential for most electronic applications. If you want to do more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So let's find out. Number 5, Nice Power DC Power Supply, Variable, 0 to 30 volts, 0 to 10A, Adjustable Switching. The Nice Power Variable DC Power Supply, 0 to 30 volts, 0 to 10A, is a switching-type bench power supply designed for electronics testing, prototyping, and lab use. Here's a detailed breakdown of its features and considerations. Voltage, 0 to 30 volts DC, continuously adjustable. Current, 0 to 10A DC, continuously adjustable. Supports constant voltage, CV, and constant current, CC modes. Allows for precise tuning of voltage and current, reducing the risk of overshooting settings. More compact and efficient than linear power supplies. May have slightly higher ripple/noise compared to linear models. Important for sensitive circuits. Overvoltage, OVP, overcurrent, OCP, short circuit, SCP, and overtemperature, OTP, protections for safety. Number 4. Wanptek Laboratory Power Supply, 30 volts 5A, 30 volts 10A, 60 volts 5A, 120 volts 3A. The Wanptek Laboratory Power Supply is a versatile and adjustable DC power supply available in several models with varying voltage and current outputs, e.g. 30 volts 5A, 30 volts 10A, 60 volts 5A, 120 volts 3A. It features a digital display, USB output, and encoder-based adjustment for precise control, making it suitable for electronics testing, DIY projects, and lab use. Models range from 30 volts 5A up to 120 volts 3A. Continuously adjustable via an encoder knob for fine-tuning. Clear LCD/LED readout for voltage, current, and power output. Provides 5 volts USB power for charging devices or powering small circuits. Overvoltage, OVP, overcurrent, OCP, short circuit, SCP, and overtemperature, OTP, protection. Constant voltage, CV, and constant current, CC, modes for stable output. Number 3. KUAIQU Newest 30 volts 10A dual-channel bench power supply. The KUAIQU 30 volts 10A dual-channel bench power supply is a versatile and reliable laboratory power supply designed for precision and safety in electronic testing and development. Below are its key features and specifications. Independent or combined outputs. Each channel provides 0 to 30 volts and 0 to 10A, allowing flexible power delivery. Series/parallel mode. Connect channels in series 0 to 60 volts 10A, or parallel 0 to 30 volts 20A for higher voltage or current requirements. Independent. Both channels operate separately. Series. For higher voltage applications. Overcurrent protection, OCP. Safeguards against excessive current draw. Short circuit protection. Automatically cuts off power in case of a short. Number 2. Wanptek DC Lab Power Supply 30 volt, 60 volt, 120 volt adjustable voltage regulator. The Wanptek DC Lab Power Supply is an adjustable voltage regulator designed for laboratory and electronics testing applications. Here's a detailed breakdown of its features. Output voltage range. Adjustable, e.g. 0 to 30 volts, 0 to 60 volts, or 0 to 120 volts, depending on model. Output current. Adjustable, e.g. 0 to 5 amps, 0 to 10 amps, etc. Varies by model. Dual input voltage. Supports 110 volts, 220 volt AC, auto switching, or manual selection, depending on model. Display. Digital LED or LCD for voltage and current readings. Protections. Overcurrent, CC. Overvoltage, OV. Short circuit, and thermal protection. Cooling. Built-in fan or passive cooling. Varies by mod. Number 1. 3000 watt lab power supply 300 volts, 200 volts, 100 amps, 60 amps, 50 amps, bench power supply. Max power 3000 watts, 0 to 200 volts, adjustable depending on model. Constant voltage CV and constant current CC modes for precise control. Adjustable voltage and current via knobs digital interface. Overcurrent protection, OCP, automatically cuts off or limits current if exceeded. Overvoltage protection, OVP, prevents damage from excessive voltage. Short circuit protection, SCP, safeguards against accidental shorts. Overtemperature protection, OTP, shuts down if overheating. Alarm indicator, audible visual warning for faults. Output on-off switch, allows safe enabling, disabling of output. Memory presets, some models save frequently used settings.